The International Criminal Court outreach team has moved into Nauru County in a dedicated program to try and demystify the work of the Hague-based court. They are seeking to help residents of Nakuru understand the role of the ICC and the extent of their mandate in securing justice for victims and suspects of the post-election violence. This time, they are not focusing their attention on the main town centers, but going into the interior villages and the rural communities for one-on-one talk with locals. After touring parts of Rongai, where they held several meetings, they later held another meeting at Kambia Moto in the county of Nakuru at Our Lady of Rosary Catholic Church.
I know I have sown today on fertile ground.
Several issues and comments were raised touching on the sensitive ICC debate. Locals wanted to know the fate of the 4 Kenyan suspects facing trials at The Hague and whether they would be detained during trials. What will happen if the suspects are found guilty, and what the impact of the trials will be on Kenya as a whole.
What will happen with this country if these people will not come back?
The question of what happens to this country if they don't come back is not for me to answer. From a point of the view of the court, the ICC has not issued any statement that will imply that they are going to be detained.
One of the locals pointed an accusing finger at the old guard in politics and political aspirants from across the country for confusing the youth about the ICC.
The old men are the distractors of the youth. Tunawafidi na mambo yaliyonuka, alafu tunawacha wanaenda kuua wale wengine. I don't know why you should kill them.
Maria Kamara of the ICC outreach team now wants the Kenyan government to set up a judicial process to try other cases of post-election violence suspects not charged by the ICC.
Well, I'm back in between the big 5 and where I am.
Sometimes I go to some communities and people ask me, the actual person who did ABC crime is still at my backyard. The possibility for a system, a local system, a tribunal, to be set up to address middle-level and lower-level perpetrators is the responsibility of the state.
The ICC outreach team has already held meetings in Naivasha in Nakuru town among communities to try and diffuse misconceptions about the ICC and the role they are playing in the cases involving the 4 Kenyan suspects. Zipporah Karani reporting for KTN, Rongai, in the county of Nakuru.